Word
Lincoln.
Yeah.
Me fuck
So
my
you don't
cousin
think the
about
dog
3
for care
times.
now and get a lick in her ass?
Lincoln.
Yeah.
Me fuck my cousin 3 times. I'm not telling a far cousin, I'm telling your cousin.
Wait.
My mother, niece.
Mm-hmm.
For her father, and my mother, brother.
Mm-hmm.
That fuck she get.
You didn't know. Brawling.
No, you see, last 2 fuck me didn't know. And I best 2 fuck me give her.
Yeah.
Because then I last 2 fuck part of me know.
But
Because I carry her home from the strip club and beat it about 4 times.
Yeah, brawling.
And in the morning, she asked me what is for me hand. And I say Kerr. And she get up off her bed and she take up her ID for me.
Listen,
I look for the ID, I say Kerry and blood clot car. And I say, so I look for her and I say, how are your father? And she say, baby boy, I'm a bumbo clot, so. I'm a baby boy, I'm a uncle, but too. We're not too ready. Know the part of family there, deal with them.
Yeah.
I'm a say, so boom, I'm a call my mother. And my mother take the phone and I say, Auntie Madge! Auntie, when you come down, I say, bumbo blood clot. I'm going to say, when the phone.
So after you found out, you still get the vibes to fuck her again?
Yes, me give her, me not tell her lie. Roger, me not lie, Roger, me give her 2 more knock and put her up on the taxi stand and say, go on home.
Yeah. But brother, personally, me not see the big deal. So you believe in a fucking your cousin?
Lincoln that beat your cousin. Lincoln that beat your cousin. No.
Days and duty. Me not. Maya. Yo, hear me I say. Big woman thing.
A big deal that bad.
Brother. When people they are go crazy I talk about Ray. Dog, me really not see the me not fuck none of my cousin them and me not fuck none of my cousin them, but me not see the big deal.
Oh, so you say if you fuck on your cousin, them would it be a big deal?
It would be a big deal to me.
Oh.
No, me not think a big deal. Me not think a big deal too.
Cause you did it. Cause you did it. Cause you did it. Speak for yourself.
Me kill one of my cousin them.
I'm not fucking my aunt like me.
No.
I'm an
So
uncle.
give a look
Not
on your
right.
family.
Wrong, smarty.
You're sorry, say your family.
Excuse me?
If I look on your family, mate, and say you're sorry, say your family that.
Here I go. Let me be real with you. You see, my father's side of family, me not like them. As me say, I want people out of them to deal with. And I carry on. She has it upon the life, she name unstoppable. But my mother's side of family.
Your cousin where your sex up on all up in life?
No, she not upon the life.
Oh.
She not upon the life. But me I try to tell her, say, right now, if me, alright, so me see what I'm. Me did live in New York with one of my cousins them. Not in I see him house, but she used to come over my house. And me beg her pussy every day.
Well, dog, why the spirit tell me I know one cousin alone you ever fuck?
Not about 3 cousins, me not lie.
Bumbo!
Me not lie.
Tell you me know me feel it in the red.
Me fuck about 3 cousins, me not lie. But me did young at them tears there. But when me realize I'm big man, the last one me kill it. But me did have one cousin in New York when me did want kill. Me beg her pussy every day. Mama brown and sexy and look good.
Yo, Lincoln, yes. Yeah, man, I start a waste. Oh, Clark. You want them big tree and cousin them and yo, you just yo.
I can't hear it in my voice. You see the energy towards this conversation is very strong.
Lincoln.
Very strong.
Lincoln. Long as, I don't know, near. Cousin for you kill that. Auntie for you kill that. Granny for you kill it. And somebody will come talk about them great, your blood clot.